Hi and welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to unbox, I guess, the FAO Schwarz mini figures Disney Princess vending machine. It kind of reminds me of this one vending machine they had at the theater in the town I grew up in that I would always go to, and it was always so fun. Alright, let me actually remove this thing from the box. Excuse me for a second. Alright, I am back. Sorry about that. Alright. Small bit of background with the machine. It's, I believe I said it's from FAO Schwarz. You can get it at Target, but thankfully you can also get it on the brand's actual website, because buying online on Target really just... Alright. Hold on a second. Alright, there's 12 surprise toy capsules in here, and here's all the possibilities. Alright, now to get to the actual... Oh! Alright, there's tape on here. Alright. Got it. Alright, capsule number 1. These... Are we sure this thing is made for children? Because I'm pretty sure there's a child-proof lock on this thing. Alright, I finally got her. Oh my god. Cinderella lost her head. Oh. I mean, a silly little video turned morbid real fast. Thankfully it just pops back on, although I'm pretty sure we're gonna need like super glue or something to keep it on. Wouldn't be hard to turn her into a zombie. Alright. I was wondering why there was rattling. There we are. Alright. Oh hey, this thing actually has a tear line? Alright. Oh, hey, no one's missing their head. It's one of those glitter ones. Snow White. Alright. Another glitter, but jasmine this time. There are other types of mini vending machines with like Bluey, Marvel, regular Disney, like Mickey, Donald, Daisy and Minnie, Stitch. And there's a Hello Kitty one. Oh, Merida. You know, out of the ones that would be found headless in here, you'd think it would be Belle. There we are. Oh. Alright, I think these things are getting slightly easier. There we are. Ah, Tiana. Lovely in her green dress. Oh, I got a gold one. And, oh, Aurora. Oh, the capsule matches her hair. See? How cute. Oh, already did 6. So 6 more. Oh. Ariel. Stunning. Although I do wish that they would market her more with her tail. Crap. Excuse me. Alright. Another gold. Oh, Rapunzel. I mean, so far we've gotten one of each, which isn't a bad thing. I've seen a couple mystery unboxing things, and the amount of repeats is astounding, but you know, that's what you get when you leave it up to chance. Oh, Bill, we were talking about you. She seems so shy. I wonder why they chose this pose. Moana, one of Disney's latest ladies. All right, 2 more, I believe. Mulan. Sorry, one of them was not on all the way. Alright, last one. Oh, Pocahontas! I was hoping she'd join the party. Alright. That's it. Bye for now.